Hello and God bless you. Thank you for joining us. We get ready to dive into TradingView. Ha ha! And you with your main man, Coach Chalk. Let's get right into this. What we're going to talk about today, first thing I want you to be able to know how to do in TradingView is how to resize and position your candlesticks, how to make them bigger, how to make them smaller, how to make them fatter, how to make them skinnier. Okay. So right now they're pretty short, looking pretty thin. Let's put some height on them. Let's turn them into NBA players. Over here on the side, this was what we call price. These numbers are called price. So I'm going to click here and we're going to drag them up. You can start at the bottom if you want to, work your way up, and look at how they're getting tall. They're growing. Now, to get my candlesticks to move up to this part of the screen here, I'm going to do a left click with my mouse, and I'm just going to drag the whole screen up, just holding it, and then I'm going to let it go. Okay. Once I let it go, I'm able to move freely. I'm going to go back over here to price, do a left click with my mouse, and then drag this up. And as you can see, the candlesticks get taller. Okay. Now, if you would like to make them wider, go down to the bottom here, to the bottom. This is the time and the date. Okay. So just grab and slide over from your right side going over to your left, and you see how they're getting thick. Oh, they're getting thick. Shawty getting thick. Look at her. Too thick. Bring her back. Bring her back. I like mine thick. Don't get me wrong, but I like them waggy, you know what I'm saying? So I could see them. So this is how we reposition and size our candlesticks. From the left-hand corner of the screen and slide over to the right, we make them skinnier. And if we go back to the left, we make them thicker. To make them shorter, we can grab the top and go down. And to make them taller, we come here and we do a left click and slide up. Okay. Remember, it's always a left click. So at the bottom for the time, do a left click, slide to the left, it's going to make them thicker, and then slide to the right, it's going to make them thinner. This is how we resize our candlesticks using TradingView. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Trying to keep it short so it's not all, long and boring. So we're done. All right. So that's it. Again, thank you for watching. God bless you. Take care.